Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make crispy air-fried pigeon. There's a complete list of ingredients and instruction in description. 注釋裏面有中文食譜。Frozen farm-raised pigeon are available in grocery stores. We'll measure and prepare the marinades now. The Chinese rose wine is available in BC liquor store. Chu Hou Sauce and Hoisin sauce are available in Chinese grocery stores. Mix marinades together. Wash and wipe dry the pigeon. Stuff the marinades inside the tummy. Stuff the ginger, garlic, green onions, and shallots inside the tummy of the pigeon. Close the tummy of pigeon with a skewer or a needle. Close the tummy of the pigeon, otherwise the marinades will leak when we hand dry the pigeon. Tie a piece of string around the wings. Rinse the skin of the pigeon with a cup of hot water to shrink and harden the skin. Be careful not to flush water inside the tummy from the neck opening. Wipe dry. Mix the Maltose, vinegar, and hot water now and rinse the skin with this solution. This solution makes the skin crispy. So make sure you brush the skin a few times with the solution to ensure the skin is evenly coated with this. Hand dry overnight. Preheat air fryer for 5 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Air fry at 300 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes with tummy up. Flip the pigeon, air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Flip the pigeon again, air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes. The crispy pigeon is ready to serve. Enjoy!